want to nest. They will look for cavities or holes in trees. Now, right here in the bird park, we have successful breeding programs for our hornbills. This is because we give them nest boxes. Very similar to cat nest box right up there, okay? Now I will come up and stand here up a bit more closer to the nest box so to make things a little bit more easier for Harriet, okay? Can you hear Harriet vocalizing? Okay. Now Harriet, the nest box is right over there. Can you go and check it out, girl? Now what she's doing, she's actually checking out the surroundings first, making sure it's safe for her to fly over. Okay. And now what she's going to do, okay, she's going to check out the interior of the nest box. And can you go and check out the interior? Let's just give Harriet right here some time. Okay, look at that. Okay, she's checking it out. And only if she likes it, she'll hop right in. You like it, Harriet? There you go. In she goes. Now once inside, the female will seal herself with the soil, regurgitate the food, and even her own droppings. Now, Harriet, if you like the nest box, you can sit up now. That was fast. Alright, Harriet, what's inside? Ah, there she is. Now we'll look right up there and let's welcome Sunny. Now before that, the people that are coming down the staircase out, please take your seat because the birds will come up there. So once again, please settle down as fast as you can, okay? Thank you very much. Okay, now let's welcome Sunny, our great high hornbill. Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, please sit down. Thank you very much, okay? Let's welcome Sunny, everyone. Because Sunny is a great high hornbill. Okay, now in the morning, the female will stay inside, but they will have to look for food and feed her. This will go for 3 to 4 months until after the eggs are hatched. Then mother and child will leave the nest. Now right in Birdhouse, we have successfully bred unoccupied hornbills using nest boxes just like these. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released these birds into nature reserve and also right here in the bird park itself. So while you're walking around the park, do look up, alright? We're going to spot some free-flying unoccupied hornbills. Okay, now Sunny is going to land a right shoulder. Now Azaz is on stage. Sunny is going to land on Azaz's head, okay? Now look at Azaz trying to get Sunny's attention. And once he's ready, he's going to spread out his huge wingspan and fly all the way down to Azaz. Okay. Let's just give it some time as well. Oh, look at that. Huge wingspan. I sit down to Azaz, Sunny. Where are you going? Azaz is on stage. Hello. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's just give you one more chance. Sunny, Azaz on stage, right there. There you go. Let's give it up for hornbills. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's life. If you want to volunteer, please raise your hand and get the attention of the trainers. And also look at the bird's strong wings as they fly past you. This helps them to soar through branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. Unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 to 4 males a day due to human development. Now let's all help these birds by simply doing 3 things: reduce, reuse, and recycle, alright? Now during this segment, if you're not holding on to the hook, I need you to cooperate with me and please remain seated at all times. Right, volunteers are ready. Okay, the gentleman right there, please remain seated. Thank you very much. And now goes Patina. Thank you very much. Now, of course, human bodies and also small ribs and long tails to help them to catch with the beneficiation of urine okay? Now, inshallah, these two birds are going to take off from two different ends of the stage and hopefully meet each other at the center. Center volunteer, hold your boots straight and steady, okay? Right, volunteers ready? Bettina ready? Ready, go! There you go. A beautiful cross. Thank you very much, Afika and Bettina. Thank you. Now finally, Vega here has the last activity. Something a little bit more challenging. Last try, I think very cool. Nabila? Not very cool. You got a little bag and there's something inside the bag, me. Oh, give her a look in Nabila. Wow. That is a very small hoop. I think she's challenging Vega to fly through the small hoop. So let's see if Vega can do this, okay? I'm pretty confident about Vega right here. So now let's see. Volunteers are ready. Okay. Ready, Vega? Everyone. Okay, the lady right there in the black dress, please remain seated. Thank you very much. Alright, and lift up. There you go. Let's give Vega here another round of applause. Well done, Vega. Now you can move back to Afika. Alright, and now ladies and gentlemen, in a very short while we will be having our finale of birds, so please remain seated at all times, okay? Now in a very short while we will be welcoming on stage some of our water birds, okay? Now looks like we're all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will have some birds joining us on stage, so let us get started. First up from Africa, our great white pelican. Next up to India, our spot-billed pelican. All the way from Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelicans. Come on, guys. Now back to Africa, the bird with their long sexy legs. Super double up, here comes a waiter flamingo.
Model.
There you have it, one of the finale of water birds. Let's give them a big hand. Well, now with the ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our show. Now in a very short while, we'll be asking some of these birds back home. Alright, we will have the flamingos right on the stage for you to come forward and take pictures of our lovely birds. If you don't have, do come forward and take pictures of them. Now the next show for the day and the last show will be at 4 p.m. Kings of the Sky show happening at the Hall Arena. But just a gentle reminder, all shows and feeding programs like in the Bird Park are weather permitting. So they might have to delay the show, shorten the show, or even cancel the show if the weather turns out bad. Okay? And if you'd like to bring back more memories of our show, look right up there at Philippi selling plug tours at a special price only right here at the Pool Amphitheater. So do check them out as well. Last but not least, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holding Foundation, continue to enjoy the ride in the bird park. But before you leave, please take a look around you and take all the belongings with you when you leave. Thank you and bye-bye!
শেষ